So, just another mystery for the mad. This is Woodoc 5, and I've applied it. Second coat now. First coat went on fine. Second coat is a freaking nightmare. I don't know if you can see it here in this video footage. Maybe. It's basically like trying to paint water on oil, or oil on water. You can see it's coalescing off the wood, and I've wiped it down with turpentine. I've done everything. I'm just trying to get footage of this. See here, the Woodoc has actually separated. It's like it's separated off the first coat and clumped together. I've never seen this in my life before. Yeah, it's hard to actually see it with the camera, but it's a disaster. Basically, it looks hideous. This should be one even glassy sheen without any speckles and everything, and each one of these speckles that you see here is the undercoat, the first coat, and then the shiny part is like the top second coat that's like coalesced against itself. It's typical like an oil and water separation. And it turns out that upon looking on Woodoc's frequently asked questions, the one question is, why does Woodoc 5 sometimes separate on some woods? And the answer is that there's two types of woods that this normally happens with, and that's Mboya and another wood called African Paduk. So I go online and I have a look at what African Paduk looks like, and it's a very red wood, and it looks exactly like this wood. So inadvertently, I think I've discovered what the wood is, but at the same time, I have a disaster on my hands because it's such an oily wood that Woodoc doesn't work on it, apparently. So if at first you don't succeed, try again. Got to sand the whole thing down and try something else, or leave it for the night and sand it down and try a third coat. Maybe it just needs 3 or 4 coats. The funny thing is that the legs and the aprons, they worked fine. Look at this nice redwood. Where's a better? Beautiful redwood. I've got no hassles with the legs and the aprons or the sides. It's just the top. And I've done nothing different to the top than I've done to anything else. So that is a total puzzle. If you can see that. And it was going to be so nice. Anyway.